the Markilux 970. If your aim is to have the best design, you need clean lines and straight edges. This is exactly what the 970 does. Minimal, modern, elegant. The Markilux 970 looks good when it's doing what we've designed it to do, providing beautiful shade. However, it also looks good when it's not being used as a design feature attached to your house. In addition to that, you can personalize the front profile by choosing from a variety of colors, ranging from subtle to garish. The bottom line is, what creates beautiful shade is the fabric, and on a high quality awning, you need a high quality fabric. I personally prefer the Visutex range because only in this range do you have 3D effects, checked patterns, and a linen look. The best technology is that which you notice the least. The 970 extends and retracts very silently. That is because we use folding arms with a bionic tendon. Very quiet and durable. To be able to use the awning until late into the evening, you can order it with dimmable LED spotlights. The awning is operated by state-of-the-art technology and can be equipped with a light sensor, a wind sensor, and on top of that, if you prefer, it can be integrated into your home automation system and you can control it via an app. Every patio and balcony is different. That's why the 970 is so accommodating. Available up to a width of 5 meters by an extension of 3 meters. And because of our specially designed, patented tilt device, the pitch can be adjusted from 5 until 30 degrees.